Hey, what's up? Just giving you a little update on this flip we looked at the other day. I told you it had a lot of sheetrock work that needed to be done. Well, that's 15 boxes of mud. And they called us yesterday and said they needed 15 more, plus some 45-minute mud. So it's a lot of mud. Let's go see what they did so far. It's looking pretty good. All right, so remember the kitchen, we had to knock down all the fur downs, and we just sheetrocked the ceiling there, and we're gonna have to finish that up. Got everything covered because we're refinishing these floors, and this just makes a mess, as you can see. So in here you can see the ceiling was all skim coated. It needs to get sanded and coated one more time. It's still a little wet from yesterday. That's probably why they're not here yet, because they're letting all this dry. But it's 9:30, I don't think they'd be here. So anyways, the walls are looking good. Remember, this was where we had that faux wall, and you can't even tell it was there. So pretty happy about this. I'm thinking they just need to do one more coat today. Sand it all, do one more coat, and then be done. Let's see this room. So yeah, walls are looking good. You can tell the ceiling, it just needs to get sanded. Whoops. Sanded, and then we'll probably do a light texture, a little orange peel, spray on it, and then paint it up. So anyways, that's the update.